Alright, real quick video here, guys. Oversized charging handle for the Hi-Point Carbine. Thanks to Longshot Manufacturing for sending this to me. Basically, you just replace the factory unit with this one, and it's going to give you a lot more to grab onto. It also looks a lot more aesthetically pleasing. And I was talking to Jerry, and he said that I always have a problem with this thing freaking backing out on me. He was saying that typically theirs, once installed, they do not back out even without thread lock. But he recommended that for the factory run, and should you ever have his back out on you, you put high temp silicone in there, I believe is what he said, or I guess the thread lock can break up and you might never be able to get the thing out if you need to. To disassemble it for whatever reason, for cleaning or to put other parts on. So he said if you put that rubbery high temp silicone in there, it'll keep it from backing out, especially this factory one. But you'll still be able to remove it easily if you have to. But they said they never really have any problems with theirs backing out, so we're going to test that. Alright, I can tell you right now, I kind of believe him, because snugging that one down, and it's with this supplied Allen wrench, it was a lot different than snugging down the stock one. The stock one like gets tighter and tighter and tighter and tighter, and you're like, okay, it's tight enough. This one was just like, it stopped. Nice firm stop. There was like, you went and then it just stopped, and it feels very snug. So I can see how that probably... Yeah, we don't need that. I don't think it's going to work loose, just like he said. So, there's your oversized charging handle. A lot easier to grab onto. It's also not going to be freezing cold because it's polymer or plastic or something instead of that metal one. So, let's go shoot a few rounds through it. Alright, we got 20 rounds loaded up here. Just make sure it still functions with the new slide handle. I'm sure it will. We're probably going to put some more rounds through this on the rifle range too, so we'll be putting more rounds through it to make sure it doesn't work loose. There you go. So you still got that one back there.
Now about.
Alright, flip it over. Still tight. Yeah, I'm working on removing it because I'm doing their larger mag release button. And yeah, it was still very firm, and it nice snap release instead of like slowly light, less pressure. It was just a nice, so it was still attached very nice and snug. I don't think that's ever going to work loose, just like he said. Awesome job. Alright, so there you have it. There's their oversized charging handle. I know they have others and other designs as well. We got their lower rail on here, the upper rail. They make all kinds of stuff for these, so go check them out. Again, it's Longshot Manufacturing, longshotmanufacturing.com. Thanks again, guys, for sending me that. Alright, also, guys, I didn't notice at first, but he also sent me another one there. If you don't want that big honking thing sticking out there, they have, like I said, they got different ones, so I'm going to swap mine out real quick to that. There you go. I think I'll go with that one. Hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, leave me a comment. Thanks for watching. See you next time.